So this is a bit of a deep overview of some of the features. And again, I'd say that what we've focused on from a Cisco standpoint is just trying to build the tools. Ryan, why don't you take a second and talk for us a little bit about what you've been able to do, some of the creative things that you've done with this tool set.
Sure. I think one of the biggest things that Cisco has given us the power to do is basically market whenever we want, however we want, without ever having to worry about things like, will the server hold? Can the site support this promotion? This has been extremely important to just eliminate the fear that you're going to crash your website if you premiere a video. So a great example of where we've taken advantage of this is a few months back on Paramore.net, which is an Eos site, we premiered a video for Paramore's current single, The Only Exception, exclusively on the website. We made the decision to do this, I believe, on a Monday, and we're planning to roll it out on a Wednesday. So pretty last minute, as is the case on a lot of these types of marketing promotions we do. We teed up the entire internet for, hey, this video is going to be on the website. We went to all their Twitter followers, 11 a.m. Wednesday, February 17th. Go to the website to watch it. Paramore's a very big band. They have hundreds of thousands of followers. They've got over 1 million Facebook fans. They've got over 1 million MySpace followers. So basically a perfect recipe to crash your website. Millions of people come here to watch this video on this day at this time. Site went up, didn't miss a beat, did over 200,000 streams in the first 24 hours. And again, I don't know if I even told you guys that we were going to do this.
Yeah, I think we found out from our pagers.
Yeah, so sorry about that. Probably not the smartest thing, but again, no worry about if the site's going to crash around a marketing event. This is extremely valuable for us. Other things that we're doing, less about scalability, but just more about leveraging the feature set to power some of our business initiatives. Gary mentioned this groups functionality that you have on EOS. So the ability to create and define a group within a website, to set access rights for various pieces of content for that group. So in this case, we've taken shinedown.com and we've created a group for their fan club, Shinedown Nation. And within this group, we've specified some premium sections within the website that are fan club only. And the way that this manifests itself on the consumer side is you get this freemium experience, this freemium fan club artist site experience, where this is the homepage of shinedown.com. We're scrolling through the blogs. We're seeing updates by the lead singer, by the way, those first two. Another one from Brent. He's getting very engaged. Oh, what's this? This content looks different. Interesting. It's got the Shinedown Nation logo. So this is a distinct call out to this is a piece of premium content. Everybody can see the teaser view of this. But if I'm a non-fan club member and I click to engage with this piece of asset, I get the value proposition for the fan club and how I can join. We think this is even more impactful considering that the fan just clicked on a piece of content that's associated with the offer. Early data is showing that this is converting really well for our fan clubs, much better than what we were doing before, which is 2 fan club websites, a fan club site and an artist site with never the two shall meet. So powering fan clubs with groups, leveraging the tool set for that. Another very cool thing we're doing with groups, not nearly as complex, but just as powerful. We, on BOBATL, on BOBATL.com a couple weeks ago, we decided that we were going to do another exclusive premiere of audio for BOB's new single, Airplanes. If you guys have been keeping up with BOB, he's kind of on fire right now. He's awesome, he's very talented. I highly recommend you go get the album. Anyway, he was coming off the #1 single, Nothing on You. It was in the top 10. And the next single was going to feature Haley from Paramore in her first appearance doing the hook on an urban song. And exclusive BOBATL.com stream for 24 hours before anywhere else, before MySpace, before YouTube. So the way we did this is we set it up as a for members only stream. And we went into the group section at the back end and we said, listen, this asset is just for registered users. And the cool thing about EOS is it distinguishes between anonymous and registered, as well as some of the custom groups you can create. Put this song up, let everyone know. If you were a member of the site already, you clicked, you immediately were able to stream it. You could start engaging with it, adding comments. If you weren't a member, you got an upsell that said, hey, this is for members only, please join us. Doubled membership of the website in 24 hours. It was a 5-month-old website. And again, from an artist that already had a #1 single, so it's not like he wasn't known. We did this, we blew out his mailing list, his signups, 2x. A few days later, the second part of this song came out, featuring Eminem and Haley Williams as well. Did the same thing and doubled the double. So in 5 days, we quadrupled traffic and also just added value to being a member of BOBATL.com. Again, wanting to let fans know that this is the digital home for this artist. And we're going to do lots of cool stuff like this. And then we're able to take those lists and immediately market to those fans a few days later when the record came out. And it debuted at #1. I like to think we maybe had a little something to do with that. Another cool thing, I talked a lot about two-way conversation, just giving tools to our artists to talk to their fans in engaging ways and have a more intimate relationship. As we've sort of defined the experience for what the second generation artist was supposed to be, the number one thing fans said is, hey, I just want to feel like the artist actually goes to the website. Like, do they care? Is this really just run by the label, or is the artist involved at all? So we started creating tool sets, leveraging features that Cisco is providing to just allow our artists to send in photos and videos off their cell phones. And we feature this stuff right off the homepage of the website. As the artist is doing that, we're automatically sending tweets out to their Twitter accounts, and driving just a ton of traffic to the websites, growing the follower list because the tweets that are going out, it's good content, so it's getting retweeted, it's not just marketing messages, and getting this feedback, right? Great content on the website, driving more followers through Twitter, driving more traffic to the website, and then also just creating, most importantly, a direct communication experience between the fans and the artists. An intimate level. This is Straight No Chaser, an a cappella group. We were just talking about a cappella groups, I believe, in the last presentation. Check them out, they're awesome. So Straight No Chaser sitting in, hey, I was in an In-N-Out Burger today. I think even if you scroll down a couple, he's basically telling the web crew to change his avatar to In-N-Out Burger. You have to page down. Nice. So anyway, tools to enable two-way conversations between our artists and their fans, getting the artists engaged, making the artists feel like, hey, SFMusicTech.com, this is the place, this is the digital home for my fan base. Come back. We're gonna keep it. It's built to last. So.
And I think that's been part of our message, which is we're going to focus on the technology and taking care of all the infrastructure and the hosting, and we want you to continue to do creative things. Yeah. So thanks, Brian, from SFMusicTech, for having us. If you'd like to learn more about Cisco Eos, we have a table downstairs. Cool. Thanks.
Thank you both.